Want to learn how to change the password of your Instagram account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on Security below Privacy. Tap on Password onto this Login Security option. You can see that you need to keep your current password, create a new password, and enter your new password once again. So I'm going to do it. You can do of your own. Make sure to create a very strong password. When you're done filling all of the details above, tap on the stick option on the top right corner. When you're done filling all of the details above, tap on the stick option on the top right corner. So you can see that password has been saved, and I've successfully changed the password of my Instagram account as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.